What's going on, guys? It is Ghost Angel here. There are the fireworks. So that means we're here at Magic Kingdom in Disney World. He's coming here for a night just to have some fun time. Yeah, getting a lot of good rides today. This road, barnstormer, so mild. Well, of course it's a kiddie coaster, so of course you're gonna have that. But this is really cool. Fireworks are going on right now. Right now, we didn't get fast passes for Seven Dwarfs. So we're gonna try to ride that. The line's too long, it'll be fine, but we also got fast pass booked for later on Big Thunder Mountain. So here's the whole Storybook Circus land. More fireworks. The fireworks have been going on for so long. It's that 8 o'clock show. There is the castle, and of course there are the fireworks. Cool light show too. Over there. But hopefully since everyone will be over there for the fireworks and everything, that we'll be able to get a ride on Seven Dwarfs and not too long of a wait. So we'll try to do that, but this fog convention is going to be fireworks in Seven Dwarfs. There's Seven Dwarfs. No, so I'm gonna say, you know, like if you're walking through the whole park and they have a show going on, you can hear the music that they're playing over there and all the stations and everywhere. It's really cool. Like they do like some of the like the stuff up there. Over closer to it, but all the big fireworks are right there. So
y'all wanna try Winnie the Pooh while nobody's around?
Well, this is very neat. I better come to the end here. So let's see how long. Okay, not looking too bad from what we can see from right here. We may get frozen. We may get a little lucky here. Hopefully, if not, this would have been a big hit and miss. We'll try. So fireworks is just so cool to watch. But like, it's also a great time to get on some of the rides because not that many people will be there because they're all watching the fireworks. Let's see how long the line is. Hopefully, yeah, they're like shooting from right there. Oh, cool. Some other stuff. The main fireworks over there. 70 minutes. Okay. But whatever. So, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. And I'll see you guys later.